In this video, we are going to go over the Assessments tab on an apprentice's profile. When you log into Illinois workNet and click on the Customer Support Center, it takes you here to the Groups page, which will list any groups that you have access to. Click on Apprenticeship Illinois. Here on the Customers tab, it will list all of your apprentices. Click on the last name to open a profile. It'll take you to the Intake Review tab, but you can access the assessments from any of the tabs. Click on the Assessments link. You can see at the top that it says Assessments, and it's broken up into different sections. The apprentice, when they log into their account, will have the same similar view of what we're seeing here. So the first section, the Skills and Interest Survey. This is a survey taken with the Career Information System, CIS, and that's an external tool that Illinois workNet uses to assess the skills and interests of apprentices. To view the apprentices' results of the CIS surveys, you can click a link, and there should be, when they've taken it, there will be an external link in this box that you can click to view their results. The next section is for the Disability Benefits Estimator. Part of disabilityworks.com, the Disability Benefits Estimator can be used for any apprentice expressing an actual or potential disability. The apprentice will access the Disability Benefit Estimator from their personal Illinois workNet account from My Dashboard. The apprentice will then answer questions about their age, marital status, household members, income, expenses, and any healthcare programs that they may already be receiving. If the apprentice completes the benefits estimator, the results report into the assessment tab of the apprentice's profile. So if they've taken it, it will show up here. The Employment 101. I'm going to start off with this section of it is so important that when the apprentices take these assessments, they're taking it under the information on their profile. So the same username and password that you provided to them when they were put into the system. Sometimes we'll see that apprentices will go in, if they can't remember their username and password, they'll go in and create another account, and then they'll take the assessments under that account, but then you won't be able to see those results because they've taken them under another account. So you'll want to make sure, stress to them that you'll want to make sure to take these assessments under the profile information that we give you. Employment 101, apprentices who participate in Employment 101 activities take a pre-assessment test, complete the guide planning tools, and then take a post-assessment. Apprentices who score at least 70% on the post-assessment test earn a certificate of a completion and digital badge. From the apprentice assessment modal, you can view scores of tests, date taken, and you can click on View Plans and download a copy of the certificate of completion. The self-evaluation section. The self-evaluation is of the participants' essential employability skills. So they'll open this up and click Take. It tracks the top 10 skills of the 14 addressed in Illinois workNet's Job Skills Guide. It is based upon a rubric and gives the intermediary or specialist an idea of where the participant feels they are starting with each of the skills. Participants can complete the survey from a link in their dashboard, or you can have them sit with you and complete the survey with you. Multiple evaluations can be done by the individual, and each one is tracked and dated. The observational evaluation assesses the apprentice's workplace skills demonstrated over time in classes or agency interactions. The assessment is based upon a rubric. So I'm going to click New Assessment so you can see it. Answers provided define the score. The assessment fills in the results. And again, multiple evaluations can be done on this evaluation as well. The worksite evaluation. The worksite evaluation measures essential employability skills and has a crosswalk that is directly related to the self-evaluation completed by the individual. This evaluation measures skills demonstrated at a work site during a work-based learning experience. Most standards recommend one evaluation at 30 days and a final at 90 days. And then finally, the Enter More Assessments section. There are many more assessments that Illinois workNet partners use to assess apprentices. This section provides an opportunity to add information related to those assessments. Assessment options include the TABE, the CASAS, the KC Life Skills, the Prove It, the and many other assessments. So if those are taken, you'll want to come in here and click Add Assessment Results, and you can search for the assessment. Select which assessment it is, and then put in the assessment result.